This is the Asletas video capture card. This device is for converting an HDMI signal into a USB signal. It basically sends the audio and the video from your camera and converts it to a USB so that you can capture it on your computer using whatever software you use for that. Basically, one use of this would be if you wanted to live stream somewhere on the internet, Twitch, Zoom, YouTube, and you had a camera that has an HDMI out, you could come out of the camera into this device and into your computer with this. So here we've got the USB port, the HDMI capture card. There's an HDMI port. Let's see what else is in here. There's a user manual, and we can see that they're showing OBS software in the manual, so we know it works for that. It's very popular for live streaming, and it has a Type-C connector here, Type-C to USB. So this should be great for gaming, streaming, video conferencing, etc. According to the page, this is a plug-and-play device, so you won't need to download any software to use it. This device will capture up to 4K coming in, but it's 1080p coming out. So you would be going from 4K to 1080 when the signal's converted. The price is great on this, and I'm really looking forward to checking it out.